Pushing pretty hard on that thing and seems to do pretty good. I would say that's pretty good for a battery operated Dremel, and a cheap one at that. Hey guys, so I just wanted to finish this video that I had for that little tool from Tacklife, the Dremel. I call it a Dremel. But I was impressed with it. The battery lasts, like I said, it impressed me. It lasts longer than what I thought from that little tool. And I don't know about you guys if you have Tacklife, but I have a few, and so far so good. I have no complaints. They are a mid-range tool, not even a mid-range tool. I find them when they're comparable to like Canadian Tire in Canada. In the US it's Arbor Freight. Across the pond, it's, you know, bits and bobs and bits. Part of that video where I was cutting up some stuff and everything, just testing it. That's when I first got it. That was about 3 weeks ago or more. Like I said, the battery is good. The torque is good for a little tool like that. Battery operated. I mean, as you've seen in the first part of the video there, drilling into the 2x4 with the drill bit that was provided, yeah, if you force it, she'll stall out. I have drilled through some sheet metal with it, 3 or 4, you know, holes, maybe more. But on the one project, there was a couple holes in the battery tray that I needed to drill, and what came with it was happened to be the right size. No problems there. I had to do a bit of sanding. It fits nicely in the hole, and you get it all cleaned up. The rocker panels on the seam started to rust on the one side, so I took the cordless Dremel out there from Tacklife that I got there, and put the little round diamond bit or whatever. And it's places, you know, jobs like that don't really, it's not as easy to do with a drill with a wire wheel or something like that. And worked great, and you know, it took 20 minutes probably. Yeah, so if you see it and you think, well, is something that cheap worth it? It is for me. It's working fine. So that's enough of that. I'll see you on the next one, and let's get at it.